be on all the platforms. Let me head over to here. All right. Hope you're all doing good this morning. All of our analytics are up on views, up on record-setting views, record-setting watch time, record-setting number of subscribers, and estimated revenue on YouTube. We're doing fantastic. For our small-size channel, we actually have 14,646 views in the last 28 days. And more impressively, we're at 5,000 watch time hours. That's incredible. 5,000 watch time hours. You guys are watching like hours at a time. Okay, let's see if we're live. And we are. There we go. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me get finished setting this up, though I have to grab our key tag words. What you're looking at on your screen, Control V, are there we go. Save. Okay, I think we're live on YouTube. Yep, I know we're live on TikTok. All right. We're going to do CPI today. Buy, stop, all three indices. Buy, stop, GBP, JPY. Play any 1 second through daily buy stops on SPX, NAS, US 30, and GBP, JPY. Let me just get into that in a second. But today we're going to go over, you know what I can do? Hold on, I forgot about that. We are going to go over we're going to make some fast demo money. And then we're going to go over the almost holy Grail trades. And you're going to be just, and I'm going to give you a free almost, giving you a free demo trade. Ooh. Okay, so make some fast demo money. That's specific. Gonna hush, little baby, don't you cry. Good morning, Ryan Marcus, Mr. C and Iron Lion 12, Evan. Good morning, Joe Biga. Good morning, Miami Rocks. Buy, stop, all three indices. These are medium to long-term trades that we normally trade. Buy, stop, GBP, JPY. I'm already in these buy stops right here. These are my buys. I'm up and in NAS, SPX, and GBP, JPY. Those are my trades. Just right before I went live, I took these buys. So those are my trades that I have open. You guys do what you want to do. I'm in the money. I'll probably close a few of those down and lock those in. It did tap me out at like, I forgot what I got out of my one trade, like 20-something thousand. I don't remember. We'll go over my account history later too. Hush, little baby. Morning, Mr. C, Tank Dog, Martin Lewis, Jared, T3N, Orlando Walters, and blessed morning to each and every one of you. God bless each and every one of you and your families and friends. Blessed morning to Jay Flo and Joseph and Jay Parker and Jackie James. I love Jackie James' name. And John Parker. Sorry, I said Jay. Good morning to George Hyde. Do you have the Discord link? What's up, Bill Grath? You don't get the Discord link until after you purchase the system. Good morning, Filio. Good morning, Filio. Good morning. We have XRP. What's up, Larry? Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. I'm so excited to have you all here. What a blessed morning. Another morning above ground. Thank you, God, for another morning above ground, another day of health, happiness, spiritual close with you. Thank you for, and I usually go into all specifics, my beautiful wife, Bree, being in my life, being happy and healthy, and we getting along so well. Thank you for my children, getting along with them, for being able to spend time with Basil last weekend and Bree and Katie this coming weekend. And I just started thanking him for everything I have. Thank you for letting me be able to reach each and every one of these traders so that we can make money together and that we can retire so many of the traders, as many as I can. And then I give him thanks for everything. Is my life perfect? Nope. Was I self-made millionaire by 40? Yep. Did I lose it all later, 3 years later, because failed gyms? One gym, Noon, and my other two gyms were fine. Did one of my gyms bring down the other gyms? Yep. Did I go for bankruptcy in 3 years after become a millionaire? Yep. Does that suck? Yep. Could I have prevented it? Yep. Did anyone tell me? Nope. Do I now know what to do? Yep. Put money. Here's some good advice for you from a non-financial advisor, demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only. You need to put your money into retirement, specifically retirement accounts. I could have saved at the time it was like $120,000 for me and my ex-wife. If I would have put the money in there, even the IRS, you can file for bankruptcy and keep your retirement monies. Who the fuck knew that? I didn't. This is back several decades ago, though, 15, 20 years ago. I don't know if the rules still apply, but they did then. Okay. Do. Good morning, Leon. Oh, look. Chip is my dog gaming. I hate safety trade. Good morning, Chip. Aw. Very good English, by the way. I hate safety trade. Good job, buddy. Good job. Good morning, Larry. Good morning, LD. I hate safety trade. Anybody want to comment on his comments besides his improper English? And he doesn't know how to write a sentence. Does anybody? I hate safety trade. I hate safety trade. I hate safety trade. What? Good morning, Manula. What? Morning, old school, Mick. Okay, buddy. Well, you have fun. You have fun. Yeah. There you go. Good morning, old school. Good morning, T3N. All right. Let's go make some fast demo money. Let me take this off. Here we go. We're going to make some fast money. That means we're going to move quick. I'm going to call a lot of trades really, really, really fast. Then we'll get to some other little things. I told you buy, stop, all three indices. Buy, stop to the 5-second blue line. You're going to see this go up and hit this blue line right here. You're going to see the pink come down. Price is going to come down. You're going to see this pink come all the way down to here. Then it's going to hook and come back up. That's what you're going to see. See, there's the, it's going to touch that. Buy, stop, all three indices. NAS, there it is. There's the touchdown to the blue line live. As called out, as told you. And by the way, just so we're all on the same page, as I told you at the beginning of this, this is my, hold on. This is my trades just from a few moments ago. I placed these buy stops in here, and we still have a buy on GBP, JPY. Matter of factly, let me pop off at least these two. Okay, we're going to take some profit this morning, and we're going to leave that there. Okay, now I'm going to skip the rest of the. It's really impressive when I call these 5-second, 10-second things to wherever they're going, and you guys love to see it. There's a 30-second touchdown. Yeah, let me see the 1 minute. Yeah, it's going to go up and touch the 1 minute. NAS is about to do that now. US 30. No, you have plenty of time to play US 30. Play any buy stop you can until US 30, NAS, and SPX hits their 1 minute blue line. Play any buy stop you can until NAS, SPX, there it is. You already have NAS touching its 1 minute blue line. If you don't know what the 1 minute blue line is, buy the system. It's going to change your life because you get to play a whole bunch of these things. See how they're falling right now? They had fell. Told you the other day they were all going to turn red. They did. Now they're all turning again back to green. This is 5 second. You're going to see the 10 second. 15 second is next for US 30. This will turn. There it is. As I spoke it, so it became. This green just turned to red, just turned to green on US 30. Next stop, 30-second buy stops the US 30 and SPX line. Just saying. That's exactly what I would do. Okay. Now, after that, let's keep going. Let's find some gold money, shall we? Not some new money. We have plenty of old money, though. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. Na, 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 na. Oh, let's see what we got for gold. Sell towards the 5 second blue line. Play 1 second, 5 second sells towards the 5 second blue line. Then buy stop. 1 minute buy stop gold. Then hush, little baby, don't you cry. Let's go on to the actual money charts. Sell 4 hour, sell daily. It's almost there, peeps. What are we waiting for? We're waiting for gold. Wait for this pink line to come down to this orange, as I've been telling you for several days now. Then we'll be in a feast mode for gold for months. Until then, I wouldn't play gold, to be honest with you. If you want to do those short-term sells, feel free. Little baby, don't you cry. I'm gonna say, hush, little baby. As I said, now you have SPX 30 second is turned green, as I told you it would. Now keep playing your 5 second, 10 second, 15 second buy stops to the 30 second of US 30. That goes across the board for all indices. They're all going to go up. You're all going to keep making. Oh, yeah, we still have time for the GP, JPY buy. I'll show you what that is in a second. Now we're up even more on our 2,300 on our NAS. I'm going to go ahead and close down another NAS, take that money. I'm going to leave one open and run. So now we're taking more money out. And I'm going to leave my NAS and SPX and GPB, JPY, one each open. All right. Show you how to do it. Donut, donut, donut. Donut, donut, donut. Show you how you do it. No, 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 no. Show you how you do it. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. Papa's gonna buy you a diamond ring. If that ring don't, There you go. All right, now I'm happy with this morning. Pulled off a cool, I don't know. That was a pretty good little morning right there. I'll take that as what I needed. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Let's go back to finding some more money. We were on gold. Not particularly thrilled with it. You could play those sells if you want. I'm staying out of gold until this goes down and touches there. Let's go to oil. Oil, fast money. Let's see if we got anything going to the blue lines. Buy stop, 1 second buy stop. You're going to see this pink line cross. It's going to head up. You're going to see this fill in the gap go. It's going to just go up a little bit to there. So that's your buy stop on US oil, 1 second. 5 second sell stop. 10 second sell stop. 15 second sell stop. 30 second sell, but it's got to reload. Oil, 1 hour, sell, Oil. Weekly, daily, sell. Oil. Monthly, buy. Buy, stop, oil. 70.582. 75.72. 472. Okay. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. Look who's in the money on US oil. All right. EURUSD, and this is a tiny trade. EURUSD, 1 second, sell stop to the 5-second blue line. EURUSD, 5 second, 1 second sell stop to the 5-second blue line. Ricochet, love this trade. 3-minute buy stop, love this trade. Love this 3-minute buy stop. You're going to have the 1 second go first, and then you're going to see, and then you're going to see this. I just love this 3-minute buy stop on EURUSD. It's all I'm calling on it at this time. GBP, JPY. Let me go over here. Let me go over to the daily, and let me go over to here, baby. This is what you guys have to start paying attention to. I'm going to make a different area for you all. Weekly, daily, 30 minutes is a new room. This is for anybody in tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 will get these call outs. These call outs are going to happen often, and you're going to be perfect entries. You're going to make a shit ton of fucking money in this room. These are demo trade only, but these are market order. First time signals are market order. Almost holy grail trades are market order. And let me give you a free little hint right here. We'll go over all of them. GBP, JPY has just called an almost holy grail trade buy. I took it because it called it. Now, this is on November 6th. I'm taking it now. Let's go back to November 6th, GBP, JPY, when it was called. November 6th is here. Yep, this is a perfect entry. I would absolutely, and let me be clear as humanly possible, this is a free trade for everyone listening. Buy stop, almost holy grail trade. Watch this trade. 197.771, 198, 199. Buy stop, GBP, JPY, and I'm going to give you one better. Here's another one for you. Watch this shit. Watch this shit, shall we? Watch it. Here's another free trade for you all. This is exactly what you need to do. And by the way, you're in so much money on those buys on NAS and SPX, it's not even funny. Let me check this real quick. By the way, play any 1 minute, play any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute buys to the 1 minute buys till the US 30 flips the 30 second and so on. Yep. You already had the 5 minutes. Yeah, easy. Now we'll look at some more trades. It's probably going to dip down a little bit later before open, but we'll get to that later. Just have fun on the buys. Now GPB, JPY, GY, GJ, GBB, JPY. This one right here. Listen to me and listen well. Understand the words that I'm writing out right now. Play play any 30-minute buy stop on GPP, JPY until the snipers. This is free money. This is fucking as best money as you're going to get right here. The snipers pink line goes up and touches its blue line daily. Now, I can't be any more specific than that. Look at it. Look at it. This you do This you do. Watch this go up. It's got a little further. This purple line is going to come down, hook. It's going to cross somewhere like it did here. You're going to see the pink rise up. And then you're going to see this trade right here. Just be patient with it. That's all I can tell you. That's all I can tell you. Be patient with this trade. What's up, Rejoice? What's up, Baloo? What's up, Dan? Good morning to everybody. What's up, Julio? Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning to everybody on YouTube. Good morning to everybody on X and Facebook Live and Twitter. Okay, so there you go. This is your trade. This is an almost holy grail trade in the Discord. I'm giving it to you free. Hush, little baby, don't you? Almost holy grail trades. I found you some free money already. Let's go over to the next part of what we're doing this morning, shall we? Hush, little baby, almost holy grail trades. Make some fast demo money. We already made money on NAS and SPX and US 30. I'm sure the gold call, that tiny little thing, would have been okay. And there was some some US oil money. Go over almost holy grail trades. I just gave you a free demo trade. Okay, that is the buy stop. But don't take my word for it. Let's take a look. And there's not many, and it won't be boring like yesterday. On October the 5th, the first holy grail trade was a buy on gold. Let's just go over here and see. These trades are psychotically accurate. You watch and see. Watch this one. Here's the almost holy grail trade call on gold. You can take these at market order, or you can follow the half moon cold udder trade. October the 5th. Okay, close enough. I can't find it. 4th, whatever. We'll just use one of these. There you go. All right. From this moment forward, the almost holy grail trade, just so we're clear, went up from 2,600, so 2,635 to 2,000. Okay, hold on one second. Let's get the exact numbers. I don't know where gold peaked at. We'll just say 2,000. I'm going to say 2,800. I don't know if it hit it or not. Close enough. Horseshoes and hand grenades and all that. This would have been your called entry, 2,648. You'd have made $152 an ounce on gold. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. All right. So October the 5th, these are your results. 2024 for your almost holy grail. I'm just so excited. These are your trades, baby. This is demo only. All right. First one was gold. October 5th. Buy. Stop. And it was up $152 an ounce. $152. That's, you guys have no clue. If you ever traded gold and you were like trying to be quote unquote a professional trader, $150. We take things like this for granted. That's not a take for granted trade. All right, let's keep rolling. Next one. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. We're going to take these off, looks like. That's fine. All right, let's take them away. The next one that was called out, I just gave you a free one, GBB JPY buy stop. Play any 30-minute buy stop you can on GBB JPY and get back with me in a month or two. US 30 buy stop. October the 7th. October the 7th, US 30 buy. Let's go over to US 30, shall we? US 30, October the 7th. Right here. October the 7th, US 30. Right here. From this moment forward, these are market order entries. You can either do market order or you can follow the half moon. But in this case, whichever you wanted to do, there would have probably been zero drawdown or very, very little drawdown on this trade. And you were up 2,600 pips on US 30. If you would have put a 0.01 on this, you'd be up $2,600 just on this trade alone. So let's head on back over. Trust me, this is going to go by. There's just a few of these trades. Oanda US 30 buy, October the 7th, US 30. October the 7th, US 30. So we're going to come back over to here. We're going to come back over to here. October. Oh, this is US 30. October 7th. These are almost holy grail trades. Buy stop was issued. Well, technically, these are buys. Well, it doesn't matter. Sorry, how many pips was that? 600 something? Hold on. Let me get back here. Hush, little baby. Don't. I'm sorry. 2,600. I missed that by a little bit. 2,600 pips. Legendary trade, by the way. Okay. This is your Discord. Anyone that has tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, I strongly suggest you start paying attention to these almost holy grail trades. They're market order entries. US 30, October 7th, same time. It's a double up. We have backup to our signals. US 30, October 9th. Another issue went out on October 9th. Demo only trade US 30 October 9th. It's going to be the same dollar amount. Oh my goodness. Wow. US 30 October 9th. Let's head over to here and call another one right here. So 2 days later, in case you were slow and didn't listen to the first call out, here it is again, giving you another signal call out. It would have been from the top of that. So this would have been a little less profit, but oh my goodness. Yeah, a little less profit as in, I'm just going to say somewhere around about 2,000. Wow. So 2,000 pips, if you were to put a 0.01 on there, you'd be up $2,000 on that trade and then some, I'm sure. So this is your almost holy grail trades. This is US 30 for a second time was called. October. This is every trade called out, by the way, 9th. And these are demo buys. These are not buy stops. These are demo buys. And this is 2,000 pips. 2,000 pips. Holy fucking shit. All right. Next trade was Bitcoin. Oh my gosh. I didn't see this one. This is a Bitcoin October 27th buy. Bitcoin. You want to see how much fucking money this is? Would you guys please listen? October 27th buy on Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say this thing, it plays Bitcoin so fucking good. I have no idea. It's just amazing what it does. So it called Bitcoin when it was at, let me know, I don't want to exaggerate, when it was at 67,827. Good luck on these numbers. And Bitcoin, I heard technically it hit 90. So I'm going to do 90,000 minus, it was at top of the blue there, 68,187. $21,813. $21,800 on Bitcoin. And I'm going to teach you how every one of these works, by the way, just so we're clear. Bitcoin. Look at this shit. Oh my gosh. Look at that butt. Oh my God. October 27th. Yeah, these are the signals. You want signals? These signals are clear. These signals are up $21,800 on the last Bitcoin. By the way, you're noticing there's no misses. We're reviewing the results up till 2024 current. Almost holy grail trades, demos only. Gold up $152 an ounce. US 30 up 2,600 pips. US 30 up. Well, let me make these pips, by the way. 2,000 pips. Oh my, are you kidding me? This is insanity. $21,000 a coin up on Bitcoin. I'm giving you a free signal. Same as good as these. Buy, stop, GBB, JPY. Play it, and you're in the money on the GBB, JPY. As I told you, you would be. You're in the money now. GBB, JPY is already pulling money. If you'd have listened to me at the beginning of the show, demo trade only. I'm telling you, you guys got to get here early for the show. That's when the money calls are called out. I call them out first thing. First thing this morning was NAS, SPX. You said first thing this morning was GBB, JPY. Just saying. Just saying. We're almost all done, by the way. Hush, little baby. Bitcoin, same call. It just doubles the calls. GBB, JPY. This is your call. Buy. GBB, GBB, JPY. These are Ricky Bobby trades, baby. Woo! Boy, you guys got to listen. Let's go over to GBB, JPY, and I'm going to teach you exactly how these trades work. I'm going to show you what it's reading. This is just heavenly, gorgeous perfection, what you're watching right here. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Let's see what we shall see. Not thrilled with the location of our thing, but I'll teach you. Here we go. This is everything that's coded in this trade and then some. You're going to have a whole bunch of things. This is a new, fresh. So let me do this. GBB, JPY. And we're going to write it down. GBB, JPY. Current. It's already profitable. Already in profit. Let me be clear here. Play any 30-minute buy stop until sniper pink line goes up and touches. Just pay attention to this one because you guys are going to have fun with this. Touches its blue. And I'm going to show you what this exactly means. This is the easiest trading on earth. Our totals for this is I still at a loss of how to count the gold. That $152 an ounce is way more than 152 pips. The $21,800 per Bitcoin is worth way more than 21,800. I don't know. Well, it's definitely 4,600 pips. Guess we can start with that. 4,600 pips. Little to no drawdown, I might add. You would have equaled at 0.01 would equal $4,600, just so we're clear. And this is the safest money you're going to get other than the Holy Grail trade. I don't know what to put. I do not know what to put. Dollars on Bitcoin and gold. You would have made, I don't know. I guess $23,000, roughly $23,000. I don't know how else to word that. Whatever. That's what you'd have done. Nice. So the almost holy grail trades are so superior. These trades right here, you'll see the whole entire next year. Whenever these are called, you guys need to pay attention to these trades. I mean, when this happens, and I'm going to explain to you exactly what happens now, okay? So your free demo trade that I'm giving you for an almost holy grail is GBB JPY current. It's already in profit. Play any 30-minute buy stop until sniper. Yes, I see you spelled it wrong. Until the sniper pink line goes. Let me show you. This is GBB JPY. This is daily. And let me tell you what it's reading. It's reading a ton of shit. Okay. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, Larry. You're in the long room. Why I hate chips. Then why the hell are you here? Idiot. Good morning, Gary Ramundo. Good morning, Linda. Good morning, Mike Snyder. Great morning, Sally C. Good morning, Harris. Good morning, Leon. Good morning, Jack. Good morning, Dr. 52 Trade. Good morning. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. What I did was make some call outs on NAS and SPX and US 30. We all made money on that. I then made a call on GBB JPY. We all made money on that. Okay. We're in the money on the GBB JPY trade right now. And I gave those all to you when we first started. Good morning to you. I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only. We're going over our we're going over our almost holy grail trades right here. Okay. We do have the first time Ricky Bobby signal room, which gives you the same signals. Well, as good as signals. The almost holy grail trade, though, is this one right here. And we went over GBB JPY. We're about to. We went over Bitcoin. We went over US 30. We went over US 30 twice. And gold. And those are your trades. The first time signal room Ricky Bobby trades are also as good. So no worries on that. Just amazing. What you're seeing on this almost holy grail trade and the Ricky Bobby room and your coming up weekly, daily signal room. This is a new room being added, being fired up as we speak. As Keith calls it, the plumbing needs to be done in this room. We need to get things firing from TradingView through Zapier and through make.com. It's a beautiful site. We really like Make, by the way. And then it goes, fires off, sends the signals into the Discord rooms. In this case, it'll be firing them off into here. This weekly, daily 30-minute is exactly what I'm going to explain to you right now on the almost holy grail trade, GBB JPY buy. So this trade will be being called, well, I don't know if it'll be done in time, but would be called into this room. These are demo market order trades. You can take demo immediate entry with any of the weekly dailies. You can take immediate entry upon first time signals. You can take immediate entry on almost holy grail. And of course, you can take immediate entry on holy grail. Okay. No holy grails have been issued yet. These are the only almost holy grails. But when these things come out, I'm telling you, pay attention. I'm not kidding around. This is not a kid around. GBB JPY has just been called. This is what you need to do and how to understand what's happening. Okay, first thing you have to understand. The signal service is reading many things. Keith codes, thank God, my fucking brain into this shit so you guys can have some kind of chance at making consistent money. Watch. Now, we're a little more lenient on this one. So watch. What do I mean by lenient? We're allowing on the almost holy grail trades for the higher time frame, in this case weekly, to be high and only about halfway down on the pink. It's a much more aggressive signal is what this is. Okay. Oh, speaking of which, hold on. Let me get those off of there. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. We're going to need another thing. So let's pull this over. It's actually reading 3 of these things. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Never mind that noise you heard. All right, let's go over to here. Let's go over to GPGBY here. Let's go over to here. GPGJPY here. Let's go over to here. GPBJPY here. Okay, now we're there. Is this weekly? Daily? And well, we'll see if it was reading the 4-hour or not. And this is weekly. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look now. Never mind that noise you heard. If that weekly, daily, well, it could be reading the 4-hour, it might be reading the 12-hour, 7-hour. Yeah. Okay. So what you're seeing is this. Well, shit. Now we got to go up to the monthly. Hold on. Let me see the 3-week. Yeah. So it's smart. So what it's looking for is any version of all these things. So what do I mean? It's reading multiple time frames, specifically from monthly, 3-week, weekly. Then when it sees what it needs to see on the monthly, 3-week, weekly, it then scans to the daily. And then from there, it goes to either the 12-hour, 7-hour, or 4-hour. So when this almost holy grail trade is firing, it's looking at multiple charts. And in this case, you go to the 3-week GBB JPY, you're going to see blue line high, pink line low. You're going to see a fill in the gap, and you're going to see basically all of our things I always teach you if you want to get into them all. Orange line still high. Our logo is formed. That means price action is pulled back down on this time frame. The green color change bar is, well, it's trending upward. It's red, but it's trending upward. I can't remember. Green candles. There's green candles. So Keith has coded in all of these on a higher time frame, in this case 3-week, but it's looking for them on the monthly, 3-week, and weekly. Those are our master controllers. Then what happens? Then he flips down to the daily. The daily has to be a very, very specific blue line high, pink line low. Has to be all green in here. If you don't want me to teach you all this is what it's looking for. Has to be our logo where it comes over, pulls up. Has to be the orange is still high. Has to be the green candles. Has to be the green color change bar. Has to be green on your Bach. Oh, we should do it too, but this has to be. Then it goes down and hunts. This is what I was wondering. Was this a 4-hour? Was this a 7-hour? 7-hour. Was this a 12-hour? And then it looks. It looks for the buy stop on the 4-hour, 7-hour, 12-hour. So what is it looking for? Blue line low, pink line low, purple line low, our normal buy stop, red, green, green, green. Bach could be broken or not green. The dip on the orange, the normal dip for our logo. The candles turning green, and then the color change bar green. So this is what Keith has coded in. He's literally on the almost holy grail trades. He's trading 3 time frames. He's looking for either the monthly, 3-week, or weekly to be separated like this. This is the first thing. Then he looks for the separation. Remember, I told you when they combine, I taught you this many times, not over the last several months. Then he's looking for all the separation here. Plus, he's looking for the fill in the gap, by the way, here and here. Then he's looking for all the things here. Then the system looks for either a 4-hour, 7-hour, or 12-hour buy. In this case, it was a 7-hour buy, and the blue line's about to pop. And this is the trade. So it's taking in consideration all 32 and more, by the way, because you're talking about 3 charts. So you can probably get up to about 50. No, probably even more than that. So probably about 70. I'd have to go back and see all of our criteria. But this is 32 of them. It's enough to call the trade. When this is all triggered properly, it makes the Discord. It goes from, because some of you don't understand how hard this is. It goes from here, trading view. Then it goes into Zapier, and then Zapier sends it into almost holy grail, and this is what's being called the buy GBB JPY. So what you're seeing right here, and by the way, it's called twice in there, so you can't really miss it unless you're whatever. All this goes into this signal. All of this goes to Zapier. Zapier then it checks a couple things to make sure it's accurate. If Zapier says it's accurate, then it sends it into our make, and then it sends it into here. So every one of those reasons plus some are coded and go into this decision that is sent out to here. What's up, Joseph? Just came over from Twitter. Why, is Twitter bad? I thought Twitter was working. Good morning, Annie Leland. Good morning, Jack Delaney. Good morning, Leon. Good morning, Harris. Just came over for Twitter. Oh, well, I hope Twitter's working. Good morning, John C. Good morning, Rocket. Good morning, Blue Tide Acrylics. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. We're explaining exactly how the system works, and we're explaining it while we're making money. This is a free call out for all of you. This is a buy stop. First of all, let's stop for a second. Isn't this as impressive as fuck? Okay. Let me just tell you, all this code, all these charts, all these indicators all have to match up. Good luck on tracking that yourself. Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3 people pay $150 a month, $250 a month, and $350 a month, respectively. You get these signals in the Discord. Tier 3 gets the shit put right on their charts. It's fucking cool as shit. But Tier 1, 2, and 3, I would play and be in and use weekly, daily 30-minute is new. It's being fired up. First time signal room, Ricky Bobby, unbelievably accurate. Almost Holy Grail trade. Are you fucking kidding me? It's not as accurate as the Holy Grail trade, but it sure is called more often. These are all demo market order entries. When the trades come up, you can take it. So watch. What does that mean? If you took every one of the almost Holy Grail trades from when it just first called out, right here, when it first called out, you would have 4,600 pips. And on dollars made on Bitcoin and gold, $23,000. If you would put a 0.01 on 4,600 pips, you'd have $4,600. This would have paid for your system. This would have paid for the signal service. I'm trying to teach you all to take 0.01 on your demo trades only. By the way, there would have been extremely very little drawdown on this. These are your almost Holy Grail trades. I can't be any more specific than that. When you see one of these pop up, you can do demo market order. Please seriously look into doing that. And don't worry, we'll have the end of the review. Don't say a word. That noise you heard. If that noise is I'm gonna give you a diamond ring. All right. Good morning, Erica. I agree with Fidge. Thumbs up really do help on YouTube. Yes, Twitter and okay, great. Good morning. Thank you, Joseph. Good morning, Billy Baloo. Good morning, Fidge. Yes, I agree with Fidge. If you can give them thumbs up on YouTube, that'd be awesome. Good morning, Erica. Good morning, everybody from TikTok and YouTube. We are going over, and here's a free trade again for you all. GPP, JPY. It is currently, and let me tell you again, this is why I explained what was happening. Play any buy stop, 30-minute buy stop. If you don't know what a buy stop is, a future pending order. If you don't know what it means in my system, it's a simple green, 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 red. I'll teach you that next. Buy stop. Let's go over here. We're going to make this daily. We're going to make this 30-minute. Any 30-minute. It's about to blow. Oh, my God. This is too much fun. Wow. GP, beep, 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 beep. Here's the last time this happened. We can go back to here. Let me flip this on. Okay. Yep. You're in the money on your SPX buy. You're in the money on your NAS buy. You're in the money on your GBB JPY buy, as called out this morning. Matt Park, good morning. Good morning, Matt. Kevin, if you have time today, could you explain how you knew NAS was going to dip on the 1 hour buy stop yesterday morning? Hell yeah, I can tell you. I'll tell you on the 1 hour. Absolutely, Rocket. Don't let me forget that. All right. Well, simply put, these were all green. It had to turn red, but I'll get into a little more detail than that for you. Looks like there's a cell stop on something there, but I'll get to that in a minute. All right. Now, the current free signal that you guys need to do, let me show you how this works so you guys can have lots of fun with this. Holy crap. Do, 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 do. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. Daddy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. I do not know why I'm singing MMM this morning. Let's go over here. Sniper, 2 of 3. Which tool do I want to use? Oh, this one. Let's see what happens as it goes. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. I wanna buy you a mockingbird. If that mockingbird don't sing, Daddy's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring don't... Oh, sorry. We have to change this to weekly. And if that diamond ring don't go... And if that diamond ring don't shine, Daddy's gonna buy you a rocking bird. I'm just going to show you how to find a 30-minute buy stop after the call is made. Buy. There we go. All right. And if that diamond ring don't... look at this shit. All right. Let me explain something. This is a new indicator, a free upgrade going out to everybody on tier 3. Everyone will get the results from tier 1 and tier 2. It's all going to be put right into our Discord room, the new Discord room called Weekly Daily 30. This is going to be a demo money only market order entry room. So what you can do then is whenever it's called out 30-minute, and when it's gold, that means it's a golden trade. It's going to go up to its 30-minute blue line. Of course it did. And in this case, you would have ridden it from 182 to whatever the hell that is, 182.83. Well, let's click it and see. Golden would have been here. The buy would have been issued. 41 pips on this trade on GPP JPY, but it's as good as you're going to get. Now, if you come over to here, here's 2 more golden buys, right? And these are going to go up. But the other ones would have went up substantially too. Watch. So what this is doing, just so you're clear, what this is doing is hunting buy stops so you guys don't have to. See, watch here, they all start coming in. Now, it's hunting these buy stops as long as the weekly pink line is going up. It'll tell you there's 30-minute buy stops. So when I tell you to take any 30-minute buy stop on GPP JPY, this is what it's telling you. Let me show you right here. And here's what it's looking for. So if you can't find it yourself, we have a signal service that will do it for you. But this is how easy it is to trade. Well, hold on. Let me get you an easier one. Let me go back here too so you can see that. All right, now, let me go here. Gonna buy you a... If that... here, these are easy. Let me go over here. Watch. Okay, let's do this again. When you see a repeating pattern, and yes, it repeats. I don't want to give history doesn't repeat. Yes, it does. Watch. Going to get you good right in here. Buy stop. This is called a closed buy stop. I'll give you all of this too. What you're supposed to be hunting for on GPP JPY when I tell you to do it. Okay. And there's one here and it went up, but we're going to stick with just these obvious ones for... And they all went up, by the way. Every one of those earlier ones all went up. Even though it looks like they went down. Nope, they all made profit. And I'll explain how and why very easily. Shit, how much time we got left? We got a few more minutes. I do believe CPI is this morning. Is that correct? Does everybody understand? If everyone knows if CPI is here, let me know. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Good morning, everybody on Twitch and X. All right, that should be everybody there. All right. So if there is CPI this morning, I put it in my thing, but I couldn't remember if that's what someone said. I don't give a fuck. I just want to make money for y'all on CPI. It's so easy to do. So as we see our pink line coming up on GBP JPY, right? Now this time you're going to see blue line coming up, right? And if we go over to the 3 weekly, you can see this. This is going to be a long-term trade. The last time this happened was back here, and it went up, GBP JPY went up from March 2023 over 4,000 pips until June of 2024. So the last time this did this was over a year long buys, playing any 30-minute buys you can find. And then what they look like as this is going up over and over again, I can show you. And by the way, this is way better performance than anything to do with Bitcoin, but everybody's excited about Bitcoin. But I love GPB JPY. That motherfucker for the last, I don't know, decade has been exceptional. I can go back and show you why, but we'll do that another day. Look, this is what the buys look like. Green, 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 red, pink crossing the blue, pink crossing the blue, first entry, green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, up, 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 up. If you want me to get into more detail, but this is what it looks like. You guys just need to hunt for these particular yes, there is CPI. Thanks, guys. Thank you, House of Hasada. Good to see you again. Leon. Thank you, Leon. Thank you, Joseph. Thank you, House of Asada. Thank you, Fidge. Welcome back, Fidge. I haven't seen you in a minute. What's up, God love? Good morning. Good morning, Kev. Be safe in your travels. Safe in your travels, Adam. Martin. Thank you, Martin. Thank you, Sally. We have 61 people. Hey, Sally, we're at 80 now, 79 now. Huh. Thumbs up would be nice on the thing. All right. Now, Rocket asked me to explain NAS was going to go down. So this is everything. We made correct call outs on NAS, SPX, and US 30 this morning. You should have been in your buys on NAS, SPX, and US 30 this morning. We made correct calls on GBB, JPY. That's a buy. I explained to you why it's a buy. We're still in that as a buy. Take any 30-minute buy you can on JPY. It's a free signal from me to you for y'all being here. The thing we just finished up for, this is just a recap. We made the fast money. Yep. These are your almost holy grail trades. This is in your Discord room. I'm telling you, you guys in tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3, you need to take advantage of these first rooms. These are market order entry rooms. Weekly, daily has just been added. First time signals. This is your almost holy grail signal, and of course the holy grail. These are all you can take at market order, meaning hit the damn button when the fucking signal pops up, hit the button. All right. Now, it went over all these in there. These are every one of them. When this signal was issued, this is the results that you got. When the signal was issued without any kind of half moon or just take the fucking market order entry, demo only, you'd be up $152 an ounce on gold, 2,600 pips on US 30, 2,000 pips on US 30, $21,800 on Bitcoin. It just called the GBP, JPY one a few days ago. It's still 100% valid. Take the buy, 30-minute buys. Currently, there's 4,600 pips at 0.01 each. You'd have $4,600 if you just did 0.01 trades. Quit trying to worry about making so much fucking money by doing lots and half lots and 0.01 trades. Am I clear? If you'd have did that with if you'd have did that on your other, where'd they go? Right here. If you'd have did that on your other trade, where are my things at? Well, we got to get those out. You'd have made, I forgot what it was. It was like $20,000 or something like that on 0.01 trades. We'll get to that. But this one here is $4,600. The almost holy grail trade, Did not miss. It was 1, 2, 3, 4 for 4. 4 trade calls, 4 wins, 0 losses, not even close to a loss. No discussion. These are market order entry trades. Currently, you have a free one I'm giving to everyone listening, a GPB JPY trade. That's the last time it did it. It went up over a year and a half. Over a year, I should say, not a year and a half. Over 4,000 pips. I'm just saying. Is this going to go up in a day? I don't know. It's already profitable this morning. It was. Is it going to go up over the next? This is all I'm going to tell you. Once this hits right here, come on now. Once this hits right here, goes down to this orange line, I'm telling you that you will see price action. See, it already is. This is so low. When it hits down there, you see that? And I would do the entry at the half moon on the orange, but I'm not even calling it there. This goes up to here. When this goes up to here, 3 weeks later, months and months and months later, when this goes very back up to the top, price action will be higher than it was, well, here now, because I'm calling it here, but actually technically here. And it is. It's as simple as that. When this goes from here to here on the sniper, price action will be higher than it is now. I'm calling GBP JPY to go above 207, 205, 207, 208. It's currently at 198. And that is nothing. I'm calling it to go up over 2,000 pips from current level. That's what I'm calling. This fill in the gap will happen. Pink will go up. Oh, shit. All right. Enough of that shit. Let's have some fun. Remember,
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Now let's take a look at, shall we? We're going to pull up a whole bunch of shit and things. 1 second, 5 second, buy, second, 10 second, buy, 15 second. Told you buy. 15 second, 30 second buy. I told you the buys first to the 30 second blue line. Damn, just hit it. Hold on. NAS. 5 second. 5 second buy to the blue line NAS. 5 second blue line, 1 second, 5 second buy, stop to the blue line of NAS. Let me see SPX now. Hold on. I'm going to have multiple things open. I want to see. I'm not going to do SPX. Let me put US 30 here. Let me put 5 second there. Let me go to the 30 second. Let me go over to here. Let me do this negative. Let me grab this over here. Grab that and then that. Okay. Pink line coming down. Right. Who is this? NAS 5 second. Let me see the 1 second really quick. Yeah, no, 1 second, 5, like I said. Just be patient with that. All right. We have 30 second, US 30 to its 30 second blue line. It's going to dip, come down a little bit, rehook, and come back up again. Now let's get up to a little higher time frame here. We got to see what's going to happen when they call it. 1 minute sell. NAS. 1 minute sell NAS. 1 minute sell NAS to the 5 minute blue line. Okay, let me see again. Yeah. Okay, let me go over to NAS's 10 second. Hold on. Okay, good. If we can get a nice pull, good. Okay, it's not engaging that. So as long as we're good. NAS. One minute sell stop. To the 5 minute blue line, towards the 5 minute blue line. All right. 15 second buy stop to the 15 second blue line, NAS. Let me see something here. Oh, yeah. 30-second buy. 30-second, 15-second buy. 15-second buy. SPX to its 30-second blue line. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15-second buy stops to the 30-second blue line. It's already done it twice. I wish we could have caught that one before. On SPX, you're going to see this hook. You're going to see this come up. You'll see this cross. You'll see this fill in the gap. As this is all happening, when this starts to come, it needs to come down a little lower. This needs to cross it. You're going to see the price action go from where it's at down here on the yellow and red. And it's going to come up here to that blue. It's going to fill this gap in right here. You can see it. Now it's better positioned. And then we just have to wait for that. All right. Now, how much time we have left? Still 12 minutes. Okay. Well, we need, there you go. See it? See it going? See? Watch. There you go. You're in profit on the SPX 500. You can close that trade down. These are 5-second trades. I don't believe we're even close to done, by the way. I think it's going to continue to do this. See, it's got to come. It's best when it touches the orange line. It's best when this crosses. But, we'll see. Yeah, and it would be nice for this to turn red again and get us a full-on 30-second buy stop. But I don't know if we're going to get that. Yeah, there's the cross. Here's the buy stop on your 15-second. This is literally, see the pink cross the blue? See it shot up? See it? Yep, there you go. And again, we're just playing. This is very tiny movement, but all I can play is what it is. Nice. So that's 15, 30-second. All right, pay attention to that. Let me know when that goes up and hits that. NAS. I still like it to drop a little bit. Okay, so what am I looking for? All right, let's be clear. Oh, let me get this off of here. Hold on. All right. CPI, baby. All right. So this is where we're at with that. Now, let's be clear on a whole bunch of things. I called out a NAS 1 hour. Let me move this over a little bit. A NAS 1 hour. Let me take this off. US 30. 2 hour buy stop, US 30. 43,893. 43,916. 43,986.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
2 hour buy stop, US 30. NAS. 2 hour buy stop, NAS. $21,068, $21,067, $21,078.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
2 hour buy stop, NAS. 3 hour buy stop. Well, was it 2? Hold on. It was a fill in the gap. 2 hour buy stop, US 30. SPX. So 2 hour buy stop. Love this. Love this SPX one. 5,980, 5,981, 5,982. Buy stop SPX.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Let me go over here. And let me go over here. So these are 2 hour buy stops, all 3 indices, just so we're clear. Now, just so we're equally clear, it was over here. Let me see, which one was it? We needed NAS SPX. Let's go over to NAS 15-minute. Nope, not that one. We're going to stay down here. We need, let me make that to SPX, by the way. Let's go over to here. Oh, it did it. It did it. Did it not do it? What did it do? This is a 30. It did exactly what I said it was going to do. Did anyone say that? Am I missing something here? Okay. News in 7 minutes. All right. So what I'm calling out, and by the way, I just called this. Why did no one say I got it? I said I hope it turned into the safety trade, green, 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 red, and there it is. So it hit the blue line on the 30-second SPX. So yay, you guys. Okay. Wow, tough crowd this morning. All right. Let me go over here to NAS now. Let me go over here to the 15-minute. Yeah, 15-minute sell stop. 15-minute sell stop. 10-minute sell stop. 5-minute sell stop. Or you can play any 3-minute. This is what I hope it does. This is what I really hope it does. Where do I hope it does this at? Yeah. I really hope we get a pullback on NAS. Oh, that SPX is tempting. Ooh. 3-minute sell stop to the 5-minute blue line. Yeah. We need a pullback. So let's see. I'm going to do SPX. This is the only one I'm going to call. I'm not calling a sell on US 30. I don't give two fucks if it goes down. I'm not calling it. SPX sell stop 3-minute. So this is what we'll be looking for. I might keep SPX open just to see that. I like this SPX. If you're going to do an SPX sell 5,973, 5,972. If you're going to do it, I'd place it down here and wait. I like this as far as a sell goes. I'm not doing it. I'm already in my trades. I'm locking in profit. I'm already up on my NAS, already closed down my NAS SPX. These are the 2 trades I have open. 3 trades I have open, 2 for us. This is the trade NAS buy I told you this morning. This is the SPX buy I told you this morning. And this is the GBP JPY buy I told you this morning. I've already closed down 2 NAS, 1 SPX. And there's my trades for y'all. Okay. So lock in profit. First of all, don't play CPI. It's in 5 minutes. Do not play it. Lock in profit, demo trade fast. So this is what I'd like to see happen on SPX. I'd like to see it 5 minutes to CPI news. I want it to hook it. Now, what I'm going to be playing is inside of candles. So I'm telling you right now, be extremely fast if you're going to do demo trading with me. We're going to be playing inside of candles. I can't be any more specific. If it pulls it down wrongly and I think it's an up, I'm going in. And I might just play some this morning. Actually, usually I don't because I got multiple trades open, but today's just a couple. All right, SPX, don't care. I'm going to pull over US 30 here. Buy stop, US 30, 30 seconds. I don't even want 30 seconds. Yeah, 5 seconds. So, all right, here we go, peeps. 1 second, 5 second sell to the blue line of US 30. But I'm not going to call them. I'm going to wait. We're going to play inside of candles. The only one I'm going to see, I'll probably go back and forth on this chart to the SPX and NAS one. US 30s to the left. I have buys open. I told you where the buys were. I told you where to put your 1 sell stop for SPX. They're probably going to move it so hard you're not going to have time to go in and out. But that's life. Buy stop NAS to the 10-second blue line. But again, let's just wait for them to move around. Let them do their stupid. I want to pull back on SPX, and then we're going to jump on SPX. If they drop it hard, I hope it's on SPX so we can get in extra money. If they're dumb enough to do it on NAS, I'm absolutely taking that money. We're watching US 30, NAS, and SPX, waiting a few minutes for CPI. We've already called out the buys on US 30, NAS, and SPX. I did call out one sell on the 3-minute SPX. You're in the money on the buy I just called out on NAS. You're going to see the pink cross again. This is going to come up. This is going to fill in the gap, and price is going to go up. It already touched the 30, 15, 10-second blue line. And now we're going to see it touch. There you go. The 15-second blue line. You shouldn't even trade. There you go. All right. So if we're going to see a pullback, there you go. So now we have the 15-second. Here's that 10-second I told you was going to come up. There it is, filling the gap in like I told you. There's price action, and it hit its blue line. That was the easiest trade ever. Again, if you don't want to trade anything, then don't. Let me see the 1 minute. 1 minute. There is a 1 minute, 3-minute sell too, but I like SPX to drop. I think if you're going to get anything to drop down, I will see SPX pull. SPX, I called out these sells for you. I prefer the buys, but it could be a lot longer for those to occur. All right. Getting a nice push up on US 30. We do need a pullback though. I'd prefer, this is what I'm really wanting for NAS. NAS to come down. Look, this is what I want to do. If they can give us this pullback like that, yeah, we'll take that on NAS or SPX. There's your buy stop again, back to the blue line. God dang. Buy stop back again to the blue line, hit the money, ricochet, pink rising. This is going to fill the gap. Now, when the news comes up, they always try to do some bullshit. They're going to jack it down hard to collect all your stop losses, then pull it back up. Shit. NAS is going too high before. NAS is going too high. You're either in those buy stops I told you about or you're not. There's nothing else I can do on NAS. Fuck, SPX is going up too? We need a pull down. We need a pullback. We need this to come down. Let me see NAS's. US 30. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10-second buy stop you can find on US 30 when this thing opens. NAS. I mean, NAS has done it. I mean, we need a pullback. I want a pullback on SPX. I want it to drop down like a rock on SPX. Maybe we can get a little break here. If we can get a pullback on SPX, we'll take it. I don't care if US 30 goes down. I don't care if NAS goes down. I want SPX to go down. If it goes down, I'm jumping in. I'll play some of this with you. CPI. Ugh, fuck. Well, I hope you were in those buys. Take profit, take profit, take profit, take profit, take profit. You were in those buys. I'm in the buys. You're in the money on all the buys. You're in the money on all the buys. Look at that go. Holy fucking shit. Look at that go. Well, I'm in the money on my buys. NAS, I'm going to close down my SPX. I'm taking SPX profit. I'm going to leave my NAS open. I'm going to leave my GPB JPY open. Oh my gosh. Well, either you were in those buys. That's all I can do. Do we get any kind of pullback on SPX? Fuck. They didn't even pull it down on SPX. Nope. No pull down. Look at that. Well, let's see. 2-hour buy stops on all three indices. We didn't get a pullback on SPX. Let's go to the 2-hour buys. You're in the money on NAS, 2-hour buy that I called. You're in the money on SPX buy that I called. And you're in the money on the US 30 buy that I called. You're welcome. Play any buy stop you can find on US 30, on NAS, on SPX. I was hoping for that pullback on SPX so you guys could have got in, but you couldn't. Well, that's how you eat up and chew and spit out your thing. I'm good. We traded some money. That was excellent money. That was just fun as could be right there. Fun as could be right there. Wow. Nice. 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 Nice, 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 nice. Beautiful trades. Beautiful trades. And we have another 8,000 open. Nice. Gorgeous trades. Perfectly played trades. Nice. Hope you all made some money on that. Oh, sorry, people are writing things in. I don't know if I answered the one fella's question. Damn. Martin Awe Gold. Don't repeat yourself, Martin. It's a good way to get you kicked out of here. Good morning, Gorilla. That was sweet. Yeah, that was fun. You needed to be in the trades prior. It's so hard to try to get your buy stop, sell stops in there. It's extremely hard. Take any buy stop you can on GBB, JPY. You're welcome, John. Gorgeous, easy trades. Unfortunately, we didn't get the pullback on SPX like I wanted. Wonder why we didn't get any pull down. Usually they try to go grab shit. No, they didn't even attempt it. They just did a rocket flare right up. So, in case anyone was whatever, do not play it, lock in, profit, demo, trade fast. 2-hour buy stops, all three indices. All three indices, 2-hour buy stops as called out, all in the money. All in the money on SPX, NAS, and US 30. Now, how long to hold these? That should be your question. How long to hold these? Well, I know what I'm going to do. I closed down 3 NASs this morning already. I'm keeping one open. I closed down 2 SPXs this morning. I'm keeping none open. How long am I holding them for? Let's take a look. Yeah. Until NAS's 3-week pink line comes up and touches the orange. I know we're in dangerous territory. I know this is ridiculously overpriced, but it is what it is. That's how long I'm going to hold it for. And there you go. There's NAS. SPX, how long? I'm not holding SPX. If I was, till the pink line comes up and touches the orange on the 3-week chart. US 30, you just can't. It's already up there. I'm not holding that. That's why I'm not in that one. So I'm good on US 30. I can't believe that tapped me out, though. I only made like whatever that was. Bullshit. I put my stop loss too close, take profit too close. I should have gave it more breathing room. But the NAS trade, very happy with this morning. Up $8,000 on a trade from just a few hours ago. I'll take that every day and twice on Sundays. Nice. Good morning, Bob. Good morning, Brandon McRue. Good morning, Mr. C. All right, let's get back to finding some money. That was easy. Play any buy stop you can on NAS and SPX. 1 second, 5 second, 10, doesn't matter. Play them all. Whenever you see them, there's one right here. You'll see this go up. Pink crossed. Filled in the gap right here. Let me see if I can find another one for you. Hold on. Same thing. Let me see if we go down to a lower time frame. Nope, same thing. US 30 maybe. Nope, same thing. Yeah. So all you're doing is seeing the fill in the gap happen now. You're going to see this pink line come up to the blue. Price will join it. How much would you give to know where the bottom of a trade is and when to get in? You're looking at it. The sniper tells you that. Pink crosses the purple, green, 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 buy stop to the blue line. Watch, let's go over here and make this SPX. Let's go ahead and make this, 1 minute. Let's go over here. Let's use NAS instead. NAS gives us more pips when we go to look at how great it was. Okay, right here. Okay, right there. buy stop. Oh, you can't see them. That's why. Hold on. Too big of a movement. It just shoves everything down. I'll spread it for you though, so you can see it. There you go. This was the buy stop at this time, by the way, in case you were wondering. All right. I don't even like this. Hold on. Let me see something. Let's go to 30-second, maybe a little better. Yes. That makes sense. That's better. Okay, now let's go over here. All right. This is the one right after it, by the way. But anyway, currently happening, going up. When you look at your charts, when you're seeing things, always try to play like the 5-second, 30-second, 10-second, 1 minute, 5-second, 1 minute, 5-second, 30-second charts. So you want to combine, and basically the 3-minute is the ruler on these micro levels, the quantum levels of the small trading. But we still had a perfect buy stop. What is a buy stop? I can teach you in 2 seconds. When you see this pattern, that's a buy stop. It's a future pending order. Green, 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 red, green, green, and then it just, of course, pink crosses the blue, pop. Then the fill in the gap trade happened, boom, right there. But the main thing was you saw, and it didn't go down far enough. That's why I was still hoping for a better pull down on SPX. These aren't low enough for me. I like to be way down here when it happens. Don't always get what we want. That's why the system was calling out those 5-second buys. And now look, they're all green again. So let me give you a hint of what's going to happen between. Let me tell you what's going to happen between, not a hint. This will go up all day. You'll see this shit go up, 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 up all day, all day, all day. Okay, so let me be clear. Let me be 100% clear. After another free trade for you guys, after this goes up for a few hours, look for the overnight. We have a training video on that, but I'll explain it too. Reversal trade, i.e., the green arrows will start to turn red. I mean, come on. So let me show you what I mean. And this is how easy it is to trade, but you guys crack me up. So watch. This is what's going to happen. They're currently green. Eventually, you're going to see, this is what I prefer to see. Let's see, US 35-second turn to red. Then this turns to red. Then what you can do is play this to the red or not. And then let's say we see this happen now. Then I would absolutely 100% demo trade this. Right here would be the one. I would wait and play any 1 second, 5 second till the 10-second blue line is hit. Okay. And then eventually you're going to see the 15-second fall and then this fall. This will be after several hours. And then we'll see this one turn. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10-second to the 15-second falls. It doesn't have to be these trades. I'm just giving you examples. Okay. What then? Well, then you can have the 30-second do it. And then maybe NAS does it. It goes below its blue line. And then you play any 1 second, 5 second, 10-second, 15-second to the 30-second does it. Okay, so let it ride out. Play any buy stops you want now. It's going to stay on its little course for a while. 7s, if you all understand, just to be patient. Let it go up for several hours. Maybe it won't happen till 6 tonight. Maybe it won't happen till 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. I don't know. But you'll start to see these fall sometime throughout the day after these next several hours. You'll see them flip and start to come down. 7s, if you understand that. Thank you, Ryan. This is such an easy, safe trade. I know everybody, oh, it's going up, it's going up, it's never come. It'll come down. It'll come down just like it did this morning. We played the sells, played a whole bunch of buys. This will happen. Okay. Easy money. All right. So that's, and it will continue, by the way. You'll see them flip. You'll see, and then you're going to see pop, pop, pop. Then you'll see pop, pop. And then this one will be the last one over. Right? Pop. And then you'll see the 5-minute turn. You'll see them all do this. And then you'll see this 15-minute. And then eventually you'll see this, this, and this. Then eventually you'll see this, this, and this. This is really hard. If this 4-hour flips, we are going to be in a whole different world of selling at that point. They'll do the 1 hours. When they start fucking around this 4-hour, though, oh boy, that's a whole different level. Okay? So hopefully I'm clear. Oh, but it's all going up. It's all going up. It's all going. Nothing's coming down. Oh, really? You're speaking to whom? You're speaking to whom? Yeah, I'm in a trade. I'm up 11,112 pips on NAS right now from just a few minutes ago. Well, okay, maybe an hour or two ago now. When I first came on the live, I called the trade for you. Yes, we're negative in GBP JPY. I'm just going to go back over there. Let's check it and see if I can make some more money on it. Let's go ahead and see if we can re-enter GBP JPY. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Let's go to daily. Oh, yeah. Love it. Love it. It just has to finish like I told you. Love the trade. 12, 7-hour. 7-hour buy stop. Love the trade. Matter of fact, I'm going to put another one in. Buy stop, 7-hour GBP JPY. It's a 7-hour. It's a 12-hour. It's a daily, weekly, 3-week. I love this trade. See, the problem is I'm going off of a trade that was called out several days ago. And you should have entered in here. This should have been your enter in point. When the pink came down against the blue, the green, I called the trade specifically on 8/6/24. So you should have entered the trade here officially by the rules after the half moon with the cold utter trade. You should have entered here on this orange on the 3-week, but that's okay. We have plenty of time. Again, the free signal I gave you is play any 30-minute buy stop. Let's go over to its 30-minute. And let's see if there's anything. There is not. It's a 30-minute sell to the blue line. So you have to be very, very patient here. Extremely patient here. And just wait. How long do you got to wait for? 7-hour cross. It's coming up. I love this trade. I just, if it comes up, great. If it keeps going down, it'll hit my stop loss. I'll re-enter the trade anyways. I love this. Okay. I'm placing a few more just for argument's sake. So I'm going to have my buy stops ready to roll. I just love it. It's just going to take several weeks, several days anyways, possibly a few weeks, but I doubt that. I would think a few days and we'll see this thing go where it needs to. Just place them up here. Let me officially call these for you again. 7-hour buy stop, GBP JPY, 197.182, 197.460, 197.530, 197.878.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Okay. What happens if the daily flips? Daily flips on what? On GBP JPY? It's not flipping. It doesn't even make sense what you're asking. Speaking to the man. What broker do you recommend, Kev? I have several. That's why I don't recommend any. I don't even know if Think and Swim is still Think and Swim. I think they were bought out by Schwab. Whatever. I was with them when they were TD, Waterhouse, when they were just TD. I've been with them longer than the employees that work there. Any rate, TD Waterhouse. So Think or Swim through whoever Schwab. I don't know who the fuck owns them. I've been through like at least 3, if not 4 different owners of that company. I still have an account with them, and they still have my account. And those guys, the young kids, they go, "Oh my god, you've been with us 30 years." But yeah, any rate, I have like 6 or 7 with Eagle FX. I have 2 with Hugo's Way. I have 1 with Pepperstone. Oh shit. I have 1 with Tradeovite. I have 1 with Thinkorswim, like I said. I have 1 with a whole bunch. I have 1 with a whole bunch of different things. I like Nadex. I love Nadex. If I ever get time to get back into Nadex, once I'm done creating all these things for you guys to be successful with, I'll go back to Nadex. I love binary options. I love their call outs or strikeout, whatever the fuck they call it. I just love Nadex. If I was doing this, I would go down to the 3-minute and under level and trade Nadex every day. Oh, it's so easy. It smooths things out. It's just an easier trading. Or I would just open up. I would never do the funded trader things like you guys do. It drives me nuts. I'm rich. I'm not gonna make someone else rich. What the fuck? Anywho, but whatever, to each their own. But yeah, I would look at Nadex as the one I would use. NAS. Oh, what happens if the daily flips on NAS? Whoops, hold on. Gotta put that back up. If the daily flips on NAS, well, if you're saying it needs to come down, it's not flipping. There's nothing to flip. It's already ridden its daily out. The pink line has gone up. You filled in the gap. Yeah, no, I'm good. Why I'm holding NAS, again, just so we're on the same page, the weekly's done, the 3-week. I'm going to hold NAS if I can when I'm entered. It's so late. If I can stay in my trades, if I can keep that NAS open, only if. Oh, you're in the money on the GPP, JPY buy again, by the way, just saying. I would hold it until this pink line goes to the blue. I fully expect the daily to dip. It has to. And let's get a couple more things cleared up while we're on this subject. Here we go. This is 6 months chart for NAS. Here's 6 months chart for SPX. Okay. I'm telling you right now, and type out a 7 when you guys understand that. No, it was a question when you were talking about them pulling them down. Oh, I don't know. I don't know what, Dank Dog. I'm sorry. I'm not following. Oh, he's talking about here, the H&H. Oh, when they flip the daily? No. When they flip the 4-hour is when you guys got to start shitting your pants. That's usually a sign of, things are going to go south. If you see, because they'll flip these micros all day long. They go back and forth. We want them to do it every fucking day, right? When you start talking about the 15 minutes, no big deal. 1 hour, who cares? It's just forming. When they start flipping these 4 hours and the dailies, you are fucked. That means we're in a very much downward trend. It's a 12-hour. Sorry. Over here would be the daily. Yeah, when these dailies flip, you better not have, you'd be very careful with owning. But that gets me back to what I was saying anyways. This is something that you guys need to be aware of. SPX, NAS, and US 30 they keep going up. I just made $8,000 this morning, plus a couple was 2,700 and 2,300, whatever I made this morning. Sure, we'll play the short term. I'm even going to play a 3-week one, right? But this 6 month, do not be shocked at all when you see price action. When you see price action on SPX at 4,400, I need it to go, would prefer it to go down to 3,000. So don't be shocked when you see this come down. They're going to manufacture something. I have a feeling it's going to be after Trump takes office, whatever. We'll see how that works out. But we'll know it. We make money on the way up. We make money on the way down. It's just that, I wouldn't own individual shit. We need NAS. It's complete. Type out 7s. When you see, when you understand that you need NAS to be back down to 15,000. It needs to come down to 15,000. Even historically, when they bring it up, look what they do. Nothing but up, 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 all ever since July 20, well, it's way past that, 2014, right? Last 9-10 years. No, they need to bring it down there. This isn't a maybe, could be, should be. I'm telling you, don't be surprised when you see NAS at 14, 15,000. Just don't be. Just don't act like, oh, he never told us. And really don't be surprised if you ever see it down to 8,000. That's how low I think it needs to go. Do not be surprised when you see US 30, sevens when you understand this, at 34,000, 34,500. It can't stay this far away. This is a pond. We all know that it's a pond. We already know that this is being propped up by BS. This is being artificially kept up this high. Well, the artificialness isn't good for you. Artificial flavors is bad. This needs to come down to 34, 35,000. It just needs, there isn't a choice. It needs to come down there. Don't be shocked when you see these 34, 35,000s. Don't panic when you see 24,000. These are just more and more look what they did here. Can you imagine if I had, what year is this? Ooh, 2020? Yeah. I remember this dip too. I remember it, but I don't remember if I was live with you guys then. I don't think I was. But yeah, this is just, if they do this, fuck yeah, we're buying. Fuck yeah, we're buying. If they bring us back down to 25,000 on US 30, there's going to be some steals to be had. This is a huge problem, though. This is too far away from the orange line. I mean, just ungodly. NAS and ungodly. SPX, ungodly. It just needs to come down there. Call that a market correction. Call that whatever you want. I think they're going to pull it as soon as Trump takes presidency, so it won't show under Biden and Kamala. I think they'll drop this down after that, probably somewhere in that first quarter, January, February, March. I think they'll start the downturn. That's just a guess. And forget guessing. I'll tell you exactly when it's happening and how to play it as it happens. Sell stops work. I made my bread and butter on doing ERUSD, UTSF sell stops 15-minute 1 hours because they're opposites. I love the sells, but the reality is we're in an up market. Good morning, Coach Cleats. Okay, I'm glad a few of you put sevens up there so you understand. Good morning, Long John Silver, Neil, Arthur, Silix, Meech, Mickey. Good morning, Manula, George, Adams, Oscar, Michael. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. All right, so that's your warning. Now let's go back to finding fast money. Everybody wants fast money. All right, so this is what I called out just a few minutes ago for CPI. I wrote it out so that there could be CPI, baby, do not play it. Lock in profits, demos fast. We were already in a buy from this morning when I called it first thing over an hour and 43 minutes ago. I called for a buy stop. I called this 2-hour buy stops, all three indices, SPX sell stop 3-minute. The SPX sell stop did not only not engage, it didn't even go down for 1 second. All they did was drag it straight up. They moved it completely like a rocket upward at CPI, and that's great. Why is that great? Buy stop, 1 minute. 1 minute buy. Here's some fast money for you. 1 minute buy, NAS. Let me see. SPX, sorry. It's not as good on NAS. Let me see US 30. US 30 as good. It's good. SPX, buy stop. SPX buy stop of 5,991, 5,992, 5,993, 5,994. Follow those to go down. Love this trade. What you're going to see, this is 1 minute. Eventually, you're going to see this pink line rise. It's going to cross the blue. Eventually, you're going to see this. Why talk about it? Let me draw it out for you. Let me draw it out what you're actually going to see clearly. You're going to see this do this. You're going to see this come up like this. Come on. What the fuck? You're going to see this come up like this. It's going to come up here towards this blue line. You're going to see these green things fill in like this. Doop, doop, doop. They're going to come up. You're going to see this cross around like that. Then you're going to see this price action do this, form its half moon. Then it's going to cross over here or here or here for your entrances. Your nip, I hope they do a great big pull down right here so we can get our cold utter entry right here. I almost said the word. And then this is what it's going to do. Then you're going to see price action go up above here. You'll see price go back above. Well, let me tell you, you'll see price go back above 5,992, 5,994, 5,997. You'll see it go above 6,000 again. Let's hope it draws out like this because I'll actually go in that trade again myself. Nice and easy. Buy stop, aggressive here, not so aggressive up here, not so aggressive here, and not so aggressive up here. This is gorgeous. 1 minute buy stop, SPX. Love the trade. The way we do buy stops means if it, let's just say I'm 100% completely wrong. So what? Say it keeps going down like this, like a rock. Well, it never engaged our buy stops up here. You don't lose any money. So how about that? You have a system, at least you won't lose, and you have a great probability of winning this trade. Okay? Follow it. It's going to take some time to develop. Now, how low is this going to go? 1 second, already below it, 5 seconds. You can play any 1 second, 5 second sell stop to the 5 second blue line is hit or gets close to. That has to form first. Yeah, that's going to form first. Okay, I still follow it down. Love this buy on SPX. Now, let me go up to NAS and tell you with NAS, love the buy on NAS, but it needs to drop more. Let me see. 1 second. 1 second sell stop to the blue line. This will be the drop more I want. You're going to see this draw out like this. You're going to see this pink come up like this. Blue come up like this. Sorry. You're going to see the pink cross it right here. You're going to see these turn green a little bit more. You're going to see this hook up like this. Then it's going to come back down, hook down here and come over to here. You're going to see a cross below here. You're going to see these stay red. Yep. And that's what it's going to do. Then you're going to see this touchdown right here. And you'll see that on the 1 second chart on NAS. And that'll be our little pullback that we want. It isn't going to its 5 second. There's no chance. US 30. Yeah, let me see US 30 1 second. Oh, yeah. Yep. 5 second. 5 second sell. 1 second, 5 second sell. Or you can play the 1 minute buys. Or you can play the 2 hour buys like I told you to do first thing 2 hours ago this morning. Okay. You're going to see this fill in the gap happen right here. Oops, too much shit up. Yeah, this needs to come up a little bit more. It's going to come up, hook over. Then you're going to see this hook. See that hook down? You're going to see the fill in the gap happen. Told you exactly as drawn out. There you go. There you go. Now, to this 5 second blue line. Yeah, I think it can hit this. Let me see something again real quick. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Can it hit it? It's going to get real close and I think hit it on SPX. And that's how you draw it. That's how you draw it out. That's how it happens out. And there you go. Let me see something again here. Yeah, NAS is forming its 1 second right now. Yeah, US 30. Let me see SPX again. No, they're all underneath it. We're good. All right. NAS, no, not, it needs to come up more. This needs to come up. Watch, you're going to see this blue line arch up. NAS isn't ready yet for the pickings. SPX is ready for the pickings. US 30, yep, also ready for the pickings. I like, out of these ones though, I like the SPX one the best. Not yet for NAS. There you go. We almost have a cross coming here. It's going to go up a little bit more, I think, if we get lucky. Let it come up here somewhere and then hook down, but I don't know. Maybe we won't get it. I just want to see a little more movement up. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, let this go up a little bit more. Okay, let's go to other things. Let's go to gold. You can see The housing. What symbol are you looking at, Bob? You can see the housing crash on the 6 month, 2007. What symbol are you looking at? Gold. Let's see. Gold. 1 second. Sell to the blue line. Sell to the blue line. 1 second. 1 second. 5 second actually. But let's see if we can see something else. No. Buy. Buy gold. 15 seconds. So buy gold. 30 seconds. You're going to see. Hopefully here. You're going to see this hook come up. You're going to see this fill in the gap. You're going to see price go up accordingly. See it? Watch. This is 30-second you're watching. We got to wait for this to finish in. Watch. Watch. Then you're going to see the close of this candle. And you'll see that fill in the gap right there happen. Oh, US 30. When you look at the 6 month. Oh, okay. That's when it happened. Yeah. It filled in the gap, closed the trade, closed one down, keep one open. It's still going to continue to go up right here on gold. It's just that it has to basically redo itself on the 1 second, 5 second. All right. So that was gold. That was fun. Let's see US oil. Oh, I don't think we have anything to call on US oil. I'm going to go ahead and tell you this. I called out US oil to go to the 2-hour blue line, and it went up towards it and went up towards it. It never touched its 2-hour blue line. So I was 100% completely wrong on that trade. You could have made money with it, but it never hit its 2-hour blue line, US UK oil. Never did. It hit its 1 hour multiple times, never the 2. And I'm kind of shocked about that. Yeah, I thought there was a strong probability of the 2-hour. Again, when you start getting into those sells, it's hard for those to hold. This is a daily, weekly, daily sell, daily, weekly sell oil, 3-week sell, monthly buy, monthly 3. All right. So if I was going to look at oil, you can do the buy where I put it down here. Oil buy 70.796. 73.123. Again, this is long term. The last time I called a monthly sell on oil, actually, it was June of 3 years ago or 4 years ago now. 3 years ago, June. I was in Florida calling it out for you guys, and it took 6 months for it to go. So this is going to be a minute. This isn't going to flip around soon. In other words, you can play all the sells you like. It's just that we have no blue line to head towards. So there's nothing for me to call. So nothing to call really on US oil. Now ERUSD, usually we get a lot of good play on ERUSD. Let's see. 1 second buy stop is going to fall. It's still a sell though. Hold on. Nope, I was right. Yep, there it is. It's going to form. It's going to cross and go up. There you go. There. Oh, well, did it? Yeah, it touched it. 1 second buy to the blue line touched. Beautiful. That was gorgeous. I was a little hesitant because of the 5 second sell that's forming right now. Nope. Keep on it. The way I'm reading it, though, longer term, 1 minute buy stop, 3 minute one. I would play any buy stops from 1 second where you just saw until pink goes to the blue and ricochet until you see this goes up to the 3 minute blue line on ERUSD. That's easy money. Okay. Now, we have a few minutes before market open. Remember, we are the only trading system in the world that is trademarked, has a class 41 trademark in it, coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. It isn't applied for, it's real, signed, sealed, and delivered. That's the registration number. We also have patent pendings on every one of my indicators. It's about, I can't remember, I think it's like $800, something like that, a pop. And I have several indicators, but they are legally protected under a patent pending. That's not a full-on patent, but that means they're applied for and they're still protected. Please understand, that I am not a financial advisor. No one associated or calls in is a financial advisor. We're doing this just for fun and educational purposes only. I am just a social media influencer, demo trade only. Go to my store. It's so fucking cool. I love the store. It's on YouTube. I love the store. It has fantastically great merchandise. Be proud of yourself. Be proud of your decision you made to get the system. Wear the clothes. It's so fucking cool. Remember, I have to tell you this because you guys are adults. You make your own decisions. Okay? Thank you, Bob. Blue Tide Acrylic. God, I want to have a blessed day, everyone, and make that money. Thank you, Blue Tide Acrylics. I'm playing the US 1 hour sell from 10 from the signal service. Oh, nice. The signal service Bob is playing. Nice. Please type yes if you understand this is a legally protected program, NDA, trademark, patent pendings, and that I am not a financial advisor, that you guys are adults. Yeah, go ahead and say yes, you're an adult. How about that? We only played the green up arrow and the red down arrow. Please also understand this is facts. For a fact, 99% of traders lose money when they use fib retracement. 99% of you lose money when you do ascending and descending wedges, support and resistance, naming of candle and candle patterns, volume, and VWAP. 99% of you lose. That's why you're here, trying to not lose. 99% of you lose. Don't get mad at me. Don't say whatever. Dave Ramsey said this. He was quoting a study, the same one I quote, but go ahead and fuck with Dave Ramsey and find out. This is an exact quote from him. Less than 1%. And I say it's less than 99.9% of traders fail. Less than 1/10 of you make money. I bet you it's not even that many, actually. 85% of the traders quit because they lose so much. And like I did, I only stuck with it because I had to for my youngest child. Please understand, if you do something right enough, long enough, the end results are 100% predictable. This isn't a maybe, could be. Just type out the word fucking yes. It's called consistency. If you learn the safety trade system, we can get you retired, Lord willing. Tier 3. Oh, we got to add in the results for thing. Hold on. Got to add in almost Holy Grail. Tier 3 signals. Grail 2 rules. The tier 3 signals are oh my gosh, I got to update this. Holy shit, I didn't even update this one. They're 18-0, 18 wins. They're over $27,000 on Bitcoin alone. This is old. I got to update this. But they're 18 for 18. The almost Holy Grail are 6 for 6. 0 losses. Market order entries on your Holy Grail. It's psychotically good what they did. Okay, this is a fact. This isn't optional. This is a fact. So type down yes if you understand that. This one's a little more optional, but you need to do this. Always draw out your trades before you take a trade and before you post in our group. This system is so simple. It can be taught to 8-year-old and 12-year-old children and grandchildren like LD does. He uses his cute little drawing. Our overall trend is the daily weeklies, which I just went over. And then you're trying to trade against the trend. That's dangerous. You can do it because they form these. But just remember, if you trade with that, with our flow of the river, you'll make money. Okay? Very good on LD to do that. And that's it. Now, back to the fun at hand. The buy stop, EURUSD, 1 minute to the 3-minute blue line is what I'm calling. Let me take these off because we already kicked ass on CPI. Kicked ass on CPI. Kicked ass on CPI. All right. Now, you'll see this little gap. You're going to see this pink line come down a little further, purple joint. It's going to come back up. This is going to fill in the gap. When this fills in the gap, you're going to see price go back up to this blue line right there. Adult by age only. I know, right? Good job, Bob, on your play, by the way. All right. Now, EUR, GBB, JPY. I've beaten this thing into the ground. Play any buy stop you can, especially the 30-minute buy stop. This is a free signal. Love it. You have to let this finish out going to this 30-minute blue line. Then you have to let the 1 hour come closer. So I would play this off of the 7-hour buy. 7-hour buy stop. I love this trade. Follow it down as it goes down. Buy stop, aggressive, 197.18. 197.437, 197.863 if you just want to be less aggressive.
Financial advisor, demo trade only.
Odd USD, Let's see the daily because this one's really annoying me. It's another one that I wanted it to do its reversal. It's a daily sell. Fuck. Yeah, daily, weekly sell. It went up and touched its daily blue line. We rode that perfectly the way we should. I'm being stubborn as a mule on that one. It's a 3-week sell. Let's just see if we can find some fast money for you. 1 minute, nothing. 1 second, nothing. 15 second, 30 second. Nope. 1 minute. Nope. 3 minute. No. Nothing to call on this. It does look like a nice 3-minute buy though. Let me see something. No. No, I'm not going to call anything in AUD USD. Not going to call it. AUD USD not being called. Let me get this shit out of the way. Why is everything in the way over here? I'll move this over here too. All right, USD CAD. Ooh, love this one. Some fast demo money. 1 second sell to the blue line. Okay, 10-second buy stop. 15-second buy stop. Going to be a little dip and then it's going to pop. I love this thing. 15-second, 30-second buy stop. Love this thing. You're going to see a cross blue line come up. You're going to see these fill in the gap right here. You're going to see the thing. I still think you're going to see that little bit of a dip down. This isn't quite low enough, but then it's going to pop, come up. These will close in, and then you'll see price action accordingly. Go up. 15-second buy stop, 30-second buy stop. I wish we had a blue line. See, we don't have a blue line to go to. Well, it is what it is. XRP buy. I don't even know where it's at. I'm just so happy that it's up. Told you. It is another buy. By the way, anyone out there remember anything? I said we were going to go past the 63 cent. We did. I said we were going to go past the 68 cent. We did. I said we're going to go past the 70 cent and we're not. Well, I guess we kind of did. XRP, keep doing the buys. I've been saying that since 625. I've been calling a buy on XRP since it's 31 cents. And now it's at whatever the fuck. It's over 2.5 times its value. I'm calling it again. XRP above 84 cents. XRP above 93 cents. XRP above 93 cents. XRP above $1.17. XRP above $1.30. XRP above $1.61. XRP above $1.97. XRP above $2. XRP above $3. XRP above $3.56. I'll tell you more on how high this is going to go as I see things develop, but I'm just telling you the first ones have hit. Yes, it's definitely. Now, if we go over to the monthly, yep, still going to go up 3 months. This is it. This is where you got to see the shit. All right, so this is what it did last time it was in this position for XRP. You could have got in down here at 27 cents and you could have wrote it to $1.93. This is say $2 dollars. All right. So this is the last time it went from 27 cents. This time, I got to zoom in a little bit on this. Sorry, I can't see where exactly that's at. This time, orange line was here. 30. That's why I called it. 47 cents. So what the hell is this? 20, about $1. So you'll see this go up from about 50 cents to $1.50. Yeah, I can see that. Way past that, actually. What am I saying? No, we're going to go up past this. That's why I say this one. Yep, we're going to go up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to watch this 3-month chart. And as this fills in, it'll fill in. Price will go up accordingly. Play any 30-minute buy stop, which there just is. This is exactly, look what I'm telling you. This is exactly, you could have got in here at 67 cents and wrote it to 71. This is a 30-minute buy stop on XRP. I'd play any 30-minute buy stop on XRP until the 3-month pink line comes up to here. Simple as that. Easy money. XRP. Watch it. It's taken about, 2 years for it to do what I wanted to do, but nonetheless, it's doing it. Ethereum. This is making, I know, Larry extremely happy. It's easy call, 3-month buy. 3-week buy. Love it, love it, love it. I've been calling this buy and being wrong for several months, but now I'm right. Even the system called out it wrong, and now it's right. I would play any 30-minute buy stop I can find on Ethereum. This is going to be a long wait. This is not a 30-minute buy. This is a sell on Ethereum. This is a 15-minute, 30-minute sell on Ethereum, actually. But you just wait. What do you wait for? How do you know what a buy stop is? Well, I can either draw it for you or I can show you. Oh, Jesus. Let me go down to 15-minute. There'll be one right here. Right here. Every one of you know green, 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 boom, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, pink cross the blue, pink cross the blue. So now you have to wait for this exact formation to form on the 30-minute. And it's nowhere near green, 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 green. Now I'm pretty sure on the 1 hour, the 1 hour is a buy. Yep, it's a 1 hour, 2 hour buy. So it's a buy stop, but I like to play these 30 minutes. I would do 30-minute buys only on Ethereum and XRP. Bitcoin. Do I need to say anything else? I've been calling Bitcoin correctly on the lives since March the 8th, 2023. Not this year, but last year when it was at 26,500. I literally said it would go over 70,000. Just like I called out for XRP is what I'm called out for Bitcoin. Simple as that. This is also a 9/8 Bitcoin call. I'm drawing it out. This is a live video. That's me drawing it out. A 9/8 and Bitcoin has gone up. And matter of fact, I found out, damn, if my signal service traded better than me by 5 days and it traded Bitcoin was at 51,000 and change. So it actually got you $4 more thousand. It's incredible. So yeah, that's incredible. Bitcoin, play any 30-minute buy stop. It's not even close to being done. We're on a 3-week buy until this pink line comes up and touches orange. Look at it. By the way, I played that perfectly. I don't want to brag, but that was a very good, excellent call. Just that the system called it back here. It did it better. Oh, well. Signals are crazy good. Thank you, Larry. I agree with you. XRP now available to buy on Robinhood. XRP documentary debuts. Yeah, that's all great. Thank you, Rocket. You're 100% right. It's just that the system has called for it. None of that news and all the great, it doesn't matter. XRP is going up because the system said it will go up. Just remember that. Amazon. Yeah, this is just so good. Again, I would play any 30-minute buy stop on Amazon until the 3-week pink line goes and touches the blue. It's already gone up since I told you on 8/8. Just keep buying it. Don't stop buying it. Amazon is Amazon. I've been recommending Amazon and I bought it myself personally since $91, $92 a share. Costco. We're at a weekly. Yeah. Weekly buy stop on Costco. I called it for Don. I wrote it down over here. There it is. There's your buy. You're in the money. Take any 30-minute buy you can on Costco. These are still good trades. What I'm calling out on Apple and Costco and Amazon, these are excellent trades. Take any 30-minute buy stop. You need to see this come down a little bit on the purple. Then you're going to see the pink cross. You'll see price go up. I do love this trade. Apple buy stop. Take any 30-minute buy stop on Apple. Google already did it, already called it. You're in the money. Hilton already called it, already did it. It's in the money. JP225. 3-week buy. Play any 30-minute buy stop on Japan 225. McDonald's. Nope. It was a monthly. Nope. 3 months. Ooh. Long trade. This can take a year or more. Ooh. 3 months. Let's not go that high then. I do have a buy-in on it on 11.5 and you would have made money on it. Yeah, it's still fine. Daily, weekly buy. Yeah. We're fine. McDonald's needs to shoot down a little bit more. Let this pink line come down and touch. Let this blue line level out and flatten out over here. Let this hook down. You're going to see the purple line hook towards it. Then you're going to see this come up and you're going to see this cross. And then you're going to see this blue line. You see it go up. You're going to see this hook, I think, a little bit more. Now, I do love this trade, though. Just has to develop a little bit more. That's all. Meaning it has to get this fill in the gap right here, has to come down. I can see it coming down a little bit more, but it's still a very good trade. I know people rip on McDonald's. I hate it, but tough shit, it works. So there you go. Microsoft. If you didn't trade in any company you didn't believe in, you wouldn't trade in any company. Every company does something wrong. Every company. Oh, 7 minutes to market open. We're almost there. Microsoft, super quick. Buy stop. Microsoft. Play any 30-minute buy stop on Microsoft. Netflix, no matter how much shit you hear about it, play any 30-minute buy stop on Netflix. Nvidia. Play any 30-minute buy stop. You can't, don't even get me started on Nvidia. It's the easiest trade in the history of the world. Play Schwab. Play any, I called this one too. Play any 30-minute buy stop on Schwab. Silver. Are we there yet? Nope. We need to let the weekly come down further like gold on silver. Can't call it yet. UK 100. Buy stop, but well, just play any 30-minute buy stop. I'm not going to get into it. Copper coming down, not ready yet. Tesla, Elon, give me a holla. It's going up. It's going to go over its previous high. 7 minutes to market open. AMD buy stop. It's actually a very good buy stop. It's just forming now. Buy stop AMD 148, 149, 150.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
DE40. I don't give two shits about this thing. I know one of our members loves it. You have to wait for this to pull back down on that. I'm not calling it. Meta, I'm not calling it. Sucks. I'm not calling it. All right, back to where we're going. Sell stop. Sell stop. Who is this? Sell stop. 30 seconds. Sell stop. NAS to its blue. Oh, wait. Take that back. It wasn't at its proper place. Okay. Yep. Nope. Don't disregard. Boy, I was trying to jump that shit. You see that? Ooh, that was bad. All right. Hold on. Don't play any of that. Let me get in here and tell you what to do. Hold on. Demo trade only. Blah, blah, blah. 1 second buy stop. US 30. It's going to go up right now. You see it? 1 second buy stop. US 30. 1 second, 5 second buy stop. US 30. You're going to see this pink line go up to the blue line. Once it does, you're going to see this arch up. You're going to see that hook and come back up. Wait for it to develop. It'll do that. It will. US 30. Just wait. NAS. Nope. Sell. Nope. Buy. Nope. Sell. NAS. Nope. Buy. Hold on. I'm just getting my bearings. Buy. 30-second buy. 30-second, 1 minute buy. 3 minute buy. Love this trade. This is NAS at open. NAS buy. Pink's going to cross the blue. Green's going to arch up. You're going to see price go up. Buy stop. NAS. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute buy stop on NAS. Play them. Playa. And we have the fill in the gap there, but let me see. Yep, there she goes. Told you US 30. This is what I drew out for you on the 5 second. There's your fill in the gap. I love that little trade. All right, back to NAS. I love NAS. Buy stop NAS. If this thing dips, let's jump in again. Buy stop NAS 21,107.9. 21,109. Buy stop NAS.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Love the trade. Love this trade. Let's go over to SPX. SPX. Ooh, we can get a little more pullback on a 3 minute, maybe 1 minute. Sure. Let me see. 5 second. Sure. 15 second. Nope. 1 second sell. Nope. Too late. 5 second sell. 5 second sell. Oh, good. We're getting a pullback on US 30. Buy stop 10 second. I don't know. I'll go over there in a second. Nope. Yep. 30-second buy. Yep. SPX 1 minute. Yep. 3 minute. 3 minutes buy. Yep. It's going to cross. Buy stop SPX 5,998. I can't see I got to go in. 5,999, 6,000 buy stop. You're in the money on this, which I believe is US 30 10-second buy. Watch pink cross the blue. Once this finishes, got to come back down just a little bit here. Buy stop again. Once this turns to green, this will be an official buy stop for you. And then we'll get into the trade again on that one. All right. What are we calling here? Boy, we're having fun left and right. I love this trade. SPX, 3 minute buy. NAS, 3 minute buy. Love the trades. Let me write those down for you so we can be clear. Let's go over here. NAS, SPX, 3-minute buy stops. Okay. 2 minutes, 3 minutes to market open, 3 minutes to market open. And I got to go right after market open. I have to go right. I don't have any time. Matter of fact, I got to go now, but I'm going to stay for an extra couple minutes here for you guys. All right. Love these buys. Let me see if I can get us a sell. 3 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute. No. To the 3-minute blue line of US 30 buy. Now, this is what I hope for. Let's go for our wish, shall we? I wish. Let's see, where can they pull this down to? I wish they pull down NAS or SPX. Hold on. 10 minute, 15 minute sell. 15 minute sell NAS. Yeah. 15 minute sell stop NAS. If you want to play a sell, look for that 15 minute sell on NAS. Much better position for a sell. So if we can get this pullback, that would be very nice. Sell stop NAS, 21,068, 21,061, 21,050.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Okay. Now let's go back over here and let's see what we're looking like on US 30. 1 second. Sell. 1 second, 5 second. Let me see. NAS. SPX. 1 minute to market open, 1 minute to market open. Sell stop SPX 1 second to the 5-second blue line SPX. Otherwise, play the 3-minute buy on SPX and US 30 and NAS. Yeah, I want to see NAS pull down. It already is. Let's see NAS pull down a little bit further. Oh, it hit its 10-second blue line. Nice. Sell stop NAS to the 15-second blue line or play the 3-minute buy stop NAS. Either or, they'll both come true. Just give it time to develop. Sell stop NAS to the 15-second blue line. It's going to arch up with this purple thing, hook, and come back down around. How much time before? 5 seconds to market open. Let's see if we can get that pull down. Market open. And NAS is touched. It's 15-second sell stop to NAS's blue line is perfect. Buy stop NAS. Keep playing the sells if you'd like. Feel free. I'm going to trail this down if I can. 21,087 buy stop NAS. Let me see SPX. Hold on. Yeah, that's fine. Let me see US 30. US 30 3-minute buy is in the money. US 30 3-minute buy is in the money. You can close that trade down by all means. NAS is a ricochet sell stop back down on its 15-second. If you'd rather, you can just stay in it and be patient and take the buy. You're in the money on the NAS buy. You're in the money on the SPX buy. You're in the money on the NAS buy. And let me see over here. US 30. Yep, you made money on the US 30 buy to the 3 and hit and went past this 3-minute blue line as called out. You can close that trade down. NAS 3-minute, again, just take your money out. Now I'm holding a NAS, just so we're clear. I'm holding a NAS trade, just so we're clear right here. Absolutely holding this trade. I have locked in profit. I'm going to hold it. If it goes up, great. If it goes down, I'll take my profit out. No big deal. Okay, I got to go. I got to run. All right, God bless you all on TikTok. God bless you all on YouTube. See you on TikTok. Have a great day. Make great memories. I probably won't be on until tomorrow. YouTube, God bless. Everybody have a wonderful day. Hopefully make some money on those call-outs. I gotta go. I can't look at that, Fidge. I'm sorry. Just remind me next time we come on.